Today, I'll show you how to record fixed assets in Zoho Books in under 2 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fast Zoho tips. Start by clicking Accountant on your Zoho Books dashboard, then select Fixed Assets. Click plus New Fixed Asset to add your asset. Enter the asset name and description. Be specific so anyone reviewing knows exactly what it is. Next, input the purchase date and cost, which are crucial for depreciation. Choose the asset type from the drop-down, like machinery, office equipment, or real estate. Then fill in the useful life and book value. The useful life estimates how long you'll use the asset, and the book value tracks its current worth minus depreciation. Click Save to record the asset as a draft. Once ready, mark it as active to start depreciation, letting Zoho Books manage the asset's value over time. And that's it. Your fixed asset is now recorded and ready for accounting.